Holy guacamole. I'm still not finished yet. But we've finished 300 of them, which is, let's go! Which is pretty sweet actually, I'm pretty excited about that. Right now I'm gluing down all of the little zip ties that I put in. I cut them off and I'm using those as like little glue tabs just to kind of clean it up a little bit. For the next lot, I'm not going to do them singly like I have done for this. Every single fiber optic has been poked through and then glued after, and it has been a nightmare. So the next one, I'm going to put like 2 or 3 in each one of them. That'll give it a bit of diversity as well. And hopefully there's like, makes it look like there's some bright stars, and then there's, it'll make sense when we're looking at it in the car, I hope. I'm using and putting into the roof right now. So this, it gets light shone through it, and then it comes out the end, wherever you cut it off. I'm going to separate this into 3 parts. I put white zip ties on everything on the last one, so I'm going to put black zip ties on this one, just so it makes it a bit easier to organize and see, instead of it just being completely white. Hopefully this is a lot easier, this one, and a lot faster. I'll put a time lapse on so you can join in, and then it's going to be finished, and I hope that comes a lot sooner than later. It's a good thing we looked, because on the back side where I did the doubles, it's so gross. It looks awful. Hopefully that picks up. When that gets lifted up, look at all that. I wish I kind of looked at it before I committed to doing the whole square. But luckily enough, it's only a 1/6 of the roof. Unfortunately enough though, I have to spend the whole time now doing it singly again. I don't want those big puncture marks in it, they look so nasty. Moving on, the time lapse ran out as well. I ran out of storage on the time lapse. Sorry. Alright, we have got our last few to go. I am so excited. So close. So close. This is it. There it goes. I am so glad that is finally over. It looks insane. Check this out. Holy guacamole. This is incredible. I'm so stoked on the results on this. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm coming back tomorrow. We're putting it in the car. I'll see you then.